What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Art Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I've been telling you I got an alternative to TSLY. I like it way better. I'm hoping M1 Finance adds more of these ETFs. Is it sustainable? We'll look at it. Now, there's a little bit of maybe a possible recovery. I'm gonna explain to you why I'm starting to load up on this ETF. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out this ETF right now. And the ETF that I'm targeting is TSLP. Comparing TSLY to TSLP in the past year, whoa, whoa, TSLY is down 47.17%. And TSLP is down 14.4%. TSLY is at 821 and TSLP is at 1701. So there's a little bit of a recovery from TSLP. You know, when things are good with the bull market, TSLY is great. When things are bad, things are bad. Things are bad with TSLP as well, but we're going to go over them. This is why I'm buying more. So the curve yield premium strategy TSLA ETF, the distribution rate is 61.16%. The potential benefits of the curve yields premium strategy ETF enhance income strategies focused on generating monthly cash flow through diversified multiple sources, including harvesting covered call option premiums, dividends, and interest income. With dynamic optimization, there's a balance between income and capital appreciation potential in the certain rising market. Lower beta to underlying stock could be used as a defensive substitute for single stock investments. So for tax advantage, option premiums may not be immediately taxed and therefore has the potential to offset short-term tax liabilities. Curve yield premium strategy TSLA ETF seeks to provide current income while maintaining the opportunity for exposure to the share price of the common stock of Tesla, subject to a limit of potential investment gains. So the gross expense ratio is 1.15%. So just remember that is a little bit higher. Performance has been 6 months, 15.76%, 1 month, 25.91%. So looking at the holdings, do you see Tesla? No. But I like the distribution. So this is one thing that has me attracted to them. It is pretty good. I mean, 31 cents, 51, 42, 43, 44, 49, 51, 51, 49, 59, 130, 130, $1.70. Now it's probably going to be down a little bit. So the one thing I want to go over, okay? The fund is actively managed exchange traded fund that seeks current income while maintaining the opportunity for exposure of the share price of the common stock of Tesla. However, the strategy limits potential investment gains related to share price appreciation. The fund seeks to employ its investment strategy as it relates to Tesla in all market, economic, and other conditions. Now, the fund does use a synthetic call cover strategy to provide income derived from the options premiums and exposure to the share price of the returns of TSLA, subject to a limit on potential share price returns on TSLA as a result of the nature options strategy it employs. To replicate the returns of the underlying stock, the sub-advisor will purchase the money call options and sell put options with the same expiration date and the same strike price that may range from 1 to 12 months from expiry. The fund from time to time may also invest directly in shares of TSLA. So remember that. The fund from time to time may also invest directly in shares of TSLA. So each curve ETF seeks to fund a portion of its monthly income distributions from sold cover call option premium, which is converted to capital gains and then paid out to investors on a monthly basis. When appropriate, we seek to find losses of each ETF's portfolio that can be used to offset gains, potentially in helping a portion of the fund distributions receive a return of capital designations. Another unique feature within the ETF structure is that the portfolio loses can be, or losses, loses, losses can be indefinitely carried forward and be used as an opportune times to offset gains in our ETF's equity or option portfolios, helping to potentially offer a tax-aware monthly distribution. So looking at the performance of TSLY, it was down 24.17%. Year to date, negative 24.93%. So again, I want to go over their distribution. It's going down big time. 81 cents, 109, 59, 122, 128, 71 cents, and 57 cents. So you're seeing a decline in it, significant decline. So I like TSLP. I'm going to be buying shares of TSLP once the paycheck comes in, and I feel good about my decision. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I'm going to have a video for you on Saturday. I'm going to take a 2-day break. I'll maybe try to squeeze in a shorts on Friday and go from there. Take care and have a good one, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. So go to a financial advisor for financial advice and a tax advisor for tax advice. Be aware any investment you make, you have to do your due diligence. You can lose money. So make sure you know that when it comes to investing. Take care and have a good one.